Hey everyone, I'm going to do a little morning segment for the daily recap. I have a lot of FOMO right now, and so pre-market was absolutely stupid. Like, there's a lot of gappers, but the tension was so spread. And so we basically have zero ideal setups, and then market open, like, a lot of things just look good. One of them, ISEE, the high day line, originally when it wicked it and went down, that was the cover nail and bail. My plan on this was nail and bail from the start, because as you can see, wow, like this has not had a red candle. But mainly the one I'm mad about is ABUS, which I wouldn't have gotten executed, but my first order is 443. But the biggest one I'm mad about is PMCB. I had plans on this. As you can see, that was my paper trade, my paper short. Short red to green with a stop at 397, and it worked so well. But I didn't trade it just because I was super emotional about it. There was like, I need to stop looking at level 2 because there was like 100 shares on the bid pre-market versus everything else that says like 5 shares. So I was like, oh shoot, it's a big bidder. It's never gonna drop. But that everything changes on market open. So over time, I'm just gonna get better at recognizing when there is actual opportunity. I did like PMCB, but I thought I was just having FOMO and I wanted to trade. But I think it was an actually good setup. So, yeah, I mean, the market's still pretty ugly, but there was definitely some opportunity. Let's see, SOS. Wow, that one had a pop there. I was waiting for outer lines on this and ABUS. This one has no volume, or else I might have traded VWAP short. And then we also have GEVO. GEVO, which is popping right now, but I don't think I want to short this. Like, this is like, I feel like I have FOMO right now, and so I shouldn't even short. But these setups could be good, so that's why I'm like, oh, well, I should short. Okay, I'm gonna... I feel like if I trade anything today, I'm breaking a rule just because, I don't know, I want to trade something because I feel like I'd be able to take advantage of opportunity, but I also feel like it's just FOMO. If I lose, I'm going to say it's FOMO. If I win, I'm going to say, oh, it's a good trade. So it's kind of tough. And also, Harry said this, which is totally true. I like SOS. I'm not going to chase down here, though. I'm going to wait for outer lines, probably 305 through 15. I don't know, that's kind of a wide range to scale. Let me make plans on it. But I had a Twitter thread yesterday that says, I just need to trade so I can learn. But I'm also like trying to be aware of my emotions and not trade when I'm super emotional, which I kind of am. I'm gonna have a 323 stop on this. And I'm also sizing down quite a lot. That was my plan from the get-go, because I knew today was kind of sucky. I'm not gonna... GEVO short could be good, because look how broken this is, and... But yeah, ISEE is taken off like a rocket. ENDP. I'm interested in outer lines on this. Actually, this one's kind of tough. Probably 285 line. Well, maybe 280, I don't know. Probably if I do a 280, I'm gonna do smaller size on that bullet. But SOS, I've got those lines, 305 and 315. Technically I have 303 and 312, 30 shares each bullet, which actually I'm not even gonna trade that. I'm not gonna trade this line, I'm gonna trade a high day only. So 315. Because my gain would literally be $3 every 10 cents, that sucks. So my first order is there. I can get 100 shares. See, that's a lot better. Okay, I'm interested in 315 hour line. With this, I'm gonna wait till 285, but if it looks like it's gonna reject here, I'm just not even gonna trade it. I'll miss it. SOS could take attention, but outer lines is always a good rule of thumb, kind of. But 305 has the potential to work. I can't scale because my size would be so bad. I would have to just add to the winner, which I don't know. I tried that yesterday and I lost. Okay, okay, GEVO, that rejected VWAP. Also, something I'm just realizing is that it's totally fine just to miss a trade. There's gonna be so many more in the future. As long as you witness it, that's all. And being emotional about it just means you're attached to it, and so you're focused on the price action, you're focused on the setup. So next time you have a higher chance of having, just taking the trade because you've seen it before. I'm kind of liking this 305 line, but again, I can't scale. I can't scale 305, 315. I have to choose one. And when I have to choose one, I'm just going to always choose the outer line. Wow, GEVO. I knew that was going to be a good VWAP short because, no one's watching this stock. Oh my gosh, it's good. My lines on it were 763. And 767. So I would have missed my second order, but oh, ENDP. Actually 382. 382. I could scale this one. 385 with a stop at, let's say 291. Okay, let me clear my mind and make sure this is a good setup. Yes, it is. Potential hot chick, so nail and bail. Probably covers will be, okay, hang on. Wait. Oh my god. On my calculator, I did something wrong. Yeah, I was too late on this. Too late on this. Missed the outer line. I missed it. Outer lines on S. Well, 305 is an outer line, but I'd rather wait for the outermost line. It wouldn't even hit my 282 order. ISEE topped out at 15. I don't know if I like ENDP anymore. Actually, I do. Shoot. This is a setup that I don't usually take. But it's outer lines, it's what I want to do in my life. Let's just go one bullet. 82. I think I'm gonna miss it. I am not executed yet. And I'm not chasing this. Because this is a strong stock. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't even located the shares yet. This is hesitation at its finest. Very emotional. SOS 305 is working, but if it holds view up, it could see the outermost line high day. Man, this looks so perfect. It looks perfect. I could set my stop at 88. Okay, if I do, let's do 70 shares. Oh. Well, this price action, Gosh, I should have been in. I should have been in right there. Okay, oh my gosh. I'm just scared to locate and then have it dump on me and then lose $1.70. I'm being such a wimp. But it's also holding up, so it's kind of... I'm gonna have a 2... Shoot. I'm not playing this. I'm not playing this. I'm too emotional about it. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I have school soon. I have to leave in like 10 minutes. But what I want to do is wait for the top to be set. I want to wait for a stuffed candle, and then I want to hit the bounce after that, and then nail and bail. Honestly, I just want to take a scalp trade today. Cause I never take scalp trades. Sorry for the background noise. SOS. Could see outer lines here. Okay, ENDP, here's the stuff. Potentially. SOS. Do I want this? 312 is my line. 312 with a 321 stop. I can get 100 shares on this as well. So on all these I can get 100 shares. Okay, you know what? ENDP is definitely not a stock to short. This is not a short. I was being blind. Well, the outer line was aligned to short. Like, I think a lot of people would short the outer line there. Oh my gosh, you see? Like, it holding up like that, so I think when it hits outer lines, it needs to quickly hit it and then come right back down. It can't hold up. I feel like that's the price action that you don't want to see if it holds up. And SOS, I don't like this grinding. So we have a lot of stocks that are up right now that have attention. Actually, you know what? ISEE is probably a way better short because you see the top is in. We had a massive stuff. Look, Tom took the GEVO VWAP short just like I wanted to. See, I have the right stock selection and I have the right plans. I'm just not executing on them because I think I'm wrong all the time. I think whenever I trade, I'm gonna lose. So like SOS right now, I want to short outer lines, but I'm like, you know what? I'm wrong because I'm just wrong. But yeah, this grinding isn't good for shorts. Let's just put my arrow out. I had a 312 order. And ISEE just broke out of that consolidation. Oh, stuff. Oh my gosh. Yep, I know that pattern. The manipulators, they push it over the consolidation to get people stopped out, shorts, and then they dump it, and then longs are trapped. I've seen it a lot. Everything else, you know, I should... Yeah, I don't know. Wow, and it hit the 1450 line perfectly. See, I was right on this short because the top is set. It's fairly backside. It's on VWAP, yes, but the top is set because of the massive stuff. Vic in MIC just said something really good. Oh my gosh, this is actually just what I need right now. Some of you guys undervalue the power of screen time. You need to watch these stocks and see how they trade around things. You can learn so much by observing, not doing. And so that helps me cure my FOMO. And honestly, I have 15 minutes before I have to go to school. I kind of want to see how SOS plays out. ISEE, I also want to see if this traps. It's like hovering right below VWAP. But let me show you ENDP. Yeah. Ugh. And I don't think Bao shorted it. I do not think Bao shorted it. Which means that I had the wrong idea of shorting outer lens on that. Unless he posts his chart later. KPLT, this one is... Wow, ISEE is reclaiming view up. It's not very good. But my SOS short, this is a grinding stock. So kind of interesting. Honestly, everything about trading is screen time, and it's screen time and finding yourself as a trader and your personality. I posted a thread yesterday on Twitter. My Twitter is Xander, Zander _ODOM. It's links in the description, but I post it sometimes or a lot of the time. And I posted a thread basically saying that the best traders are the best because they found exactly what they trade best and how they trade best. If you look at every different trader, they all trade very differently, but they're all really successful. And a lot of us newer traders, I mean, I've been trading for 7 months already, 8 months. That's crazy. Time has flown, but gone by so slow at the same time. But anyways, we are always trying to, match their charts and stuff, which is good, and that's the steps that we probably should take, and then we can develop our own personal style. But that I just wanted to say that, like, yeah, the best traders are the ones who find exactly what fits them best, not what fits others best. So we can learn from everyone and try to develop our own personality. I just wish I wasn't under PT and I didn't have this restriction, because then I could just trade small size. I can learn what works best. I'm tempted to literally just paper trade, but I don't know. It's just not the same. I want a paper trade and I want multiple trades because I just want to trade everything, honestly. Like, I know the process. I think I need to just trade everything, and over time, yeah, at first I'm gonna lose probably a good amount. I'll probably have a 50% win rate at first, probably break even or losing. But I think over time I'll learn what's good and what's not, what I like and what I don't. So I really wish I was above PT or they didn't have this stupid rule, because I'm really restricted. Of course, you could just learn by observing, but I'm a hands-on learner, and so actually being in the trade would really, really teach me. But that's the problem, because I'm under PT. I'm so selective on my trades. I don't want to waste a day trade, and so I just don't trade, even though I want to. Like the GEVO, the view up short, for example, or PMCB. I'm scared to trade these because if I'm red on the day. I can't trade other things that I like. I really like this, but if it doesn't work, then I'm out a day trade and I can't trade anymore. And so it's a huge problem. I'm working a lot of hours just to get over PT. I'm estimated to get over it in October 2022, which is a long ways away, but I'm just gonna work towards it. But anyways, let's wrap off with that little rant. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm probably just going to end it here and upload this totally raw. You'll probably hear some background noise, but again, from the video yesterday that I posted, I am not going to edit as much because it's pretty stressful just having all of that editing to do. BCTX was my setup today, but I didn't trade it because the bid-ask spread was so much. The ask was at like 785 or something, and so literally if someone just hit the ask, it would have just teleported over red to green, and so I did not trade that. But I paper traded it, and it worked pretty well. I got 50% here, 25% here, and 25% at break even. I need to stop getting out break even, but I'm gonna do a lot more tracking. But I need to stop getting out break even because my original stop would have gotten me this. Wow, oh my gosh. And my my stop was, I forget, honestly. I honestly forget. I think it was 780. I'm on it. I think it was 780. And so 780 got in at 765. That's 15-cent risk. That's 1 R is at 750, 2 R is at 735, 3 R is at 720. I would have made 3 R on this trade. With my tracking, 90% of these stocks go lower than the pre-market lows. So I just need to do even more tracking. I'm gonna do better variables, trying to find my best entries, risk, and exit. And over time, I think I'll be able to get perfect, well, not perfect executions, but like the best executions possible statistically. And just, I think I could get 2 R per trade on my setup, and that would be a huge game changer. But yeah, let's end it off with that. I hope you all like, I already said this ending. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys trade today. Have a good weekend. I can't believe it's already Friday. Gosh dang it. I hate the weekends. I will see you guys on Monday probably. Peace.